Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert footnote in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show insert footnote. Now going to the home menu option and click for it. Draw text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from text. Now text resize and footnote insert. Now going to the again text box. That it's then you show insert footnote in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.